Welcome to our channel. Today we how to choose the best home loan options, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding the home loan landscape is crucial for first-time buyers. Start by assessing your financial situation. Calculate your monthly income and expenses to determine your budget. Check your credit score, as it plays a vital role in loan approval and interest rates. Next, research different types of home loans. Look into fixed-rate mortgages, where the interest rate remains constant throughout the loan term. Consider adjustable-rate mortgages, which typically start with lower rates that can change over time. FHA loans may be an option for those with lower credit scores or smaller down payments. VA loans are available for eligible veterans and active duty service members. Once you have identified potential loan types, compare interest rates from multiple lenders. Gather quotes and look at the annual percentage rate, or APR. Consider not just the rate but also closing costs associated with each loan. This will give you a clearer picture of the total cost of borrowing. Evaluate the loan terms and conditions carefully. Check for any prepayment penalties or hidden fees that could add to your expenses. Consult with a mortgage broker for professional guidance if needed. They can help you navigate the loan options specific to your needs. Next, get pre-approved for a loan to understand how much you can afford. This process involves submitting financial documents for the lender's review. With a pre-approval in hand, start house hunting. Make offers only on homes that fit within your budget. Once you've found the right home, finalize your home loan application. Keep communication open with your lender to promptly provide any additional documents they require. Get ready for the closing process. Review all closing documents carefully before signing. Once everything is finalized, you'll officially own your home. Being informed and organized will help you choose the best home loan options for your unique situation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.